Hey everyone, it's Jade Fraser, aka Rich Little Poor Girl, and welcome back to another money saving video. So the flowers I'm using in this video are supermarket flowers from Tesco. I've got some really pretty pink peonies, which are £5 a bunch, and these roses, which I think were about £3. I've also found if you go to the supermarket towards the end of the day, the flowers are often reduced and sometimes under £1, so much cheaper than the florist. Now I'm going to start this video with actually what not to do, just because this is what a lot of us do, but this is the difference it makes. So we'll take a vase, usually quite a tall one. The flowers in bouquets are normally quite tall anyway, so we might clip like an inch off or whatever the packet suggests, arrange them somewhat, and it just kind of looks naff and they're too long and it's just awkward. Instead of using a generic vase, I really think that fish bowls are really beautiful. You can get glass ones from shops like Wilkinson's for £5. They're really beautiful quality. This one's actually from Poundland, and you really can't tell it's plastic, but you can't tell that it's not glass just by looking at it. So it's only £1 for the vase. And then what I'll do is arrange the flowers really nice and evenly. And then you want to trim them just so that the flower buds sit only like a centimetre or so above the top of the vase. Ignore what the packet says, don't just take off an inch, take off enough that they really sit beautifully just on top of the lip of the vase. It's going to look a lot more chic. So go ahead, trim them, hold them up against the vase. You might need to take a bit more off, and make sure you also take off all of the leaves that sit below the water line, because otherwise they're going to gunk up the water and it's going to look nasty. Once you've arranged your flowers, I also like to secure them with some ribbon so that the bouquet stays nice and tight and really in a pretty rounded bulb shape. What you want to do is arrange them so the flowers on the outside sit slightly lower and the ones in the very center are higher, and it's going to give your bouquet a really nice rounded shape, which is what's going to make it look extra professional and beautiful and just round and really complement the shape of the vase, just like this. And it really is basically that simple. You secure it with some ribbon and make sure they're trimmed nicely so they're the right length. They just sit above the lip of the vase, and then you've got a beautiful bouquet for less than £10, much cheaper than the florist, and it just looks so chic and pretty in your home. So I hope that you enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, it's all about ways to live a champagne lifestyle on a lemonade budget. So please do like this video, give it a thumbs up so more people can see it, and subscribe for new money saving videos twice a week. And I'll be back soon. I've been Jade Fraser. Thank you for watching. Bye.